Hello there. So this is how to do a voiceover on your project on Clipchamp. So I have a pretty basic project here. So it's just a green screen video with a background that's overlaid to replace the green screen. So let's just play it and see. So yeah, pretty basic stuff. And I want to add voiceover to this project. So what I can do is just on the left side dock here, I'll just click on record and create, then click on the audio option. And now once I click on this red button, I will start recording my voice. So let's try that out. Hello, this is my voiceover for the project. This is just for demonstration purposes. I hope that works. Let's click on it again. Okay, now I can just click on save and edit. And it will add the audio file directly to my project. So I can just drag it and drop it over here. And let's see if that works. This is my voiceover for the project. This is just for demonstration purposes. Okay, working just fine. So, yeah, hope that video is helpful. This is how to add voiceover to your project in Clipchamp.